Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Today we have the fall Boxdog to show you guys. Do you want to know what's in her box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so the fall Boxdog just arrived. They did send me this for review, so thank you so much, Boxdog, for sending me your amazing seasonal dog box for my little Vienna here. She definitely appreciates it, and so do I. So you guys, let's go ahead and dive into the fall box. If you didn't see my summer box, this one is really neat. You can do this one monthly if you would like, but I love the fact that it is a seasonal box. They send some gourmet cookies, some toys, and I will show you right here what the different variations would be for this fall box. So I think that's really neat because you get to choose them for yourself. So it's not just, they're just sending you random items. They have you choose from them. So if you have a bigger dog, or you have a dog that needs something that's more chewy, like a stronger chewing toy, or if you want your dog to have a clothing item or something like that, like you get to choose it, and then they send it to you with other extras as well. So let's go ahead and dive into the fall box. This looks like the theme with the little dinosaurs. And it says 100% handmade dog treats are inside. Last box with the summer theme, that seasonal box, she got little sharks and little fish, like gourmet cookies. Oh my, I was jealous of her cookies. So you get inside, and then there's a tissue paper that has their cute little logo from Boxdog. And now she's like, wait a minute. Now you know this is your box, huh? Yes, this is. Don't fall. Hold on. Hold on. Okay. So that's what it looks like inside. So let's go ahead and see what is all in here. The first item is right here. Ooh, you got a new toy. Let's see what this is. Hold on. I know you just want to take it, but I gotta get, oh yeah. Let me cut these. Let me get the tag off. Hold on. And it does show how they are built. So they should be kind of like a mighty type of a durable. Ooh, you got a squeaker in there. And I did choose this, you guys. But isn't that so cute? You want that? You see that? Huh? You got it? Okay, you see that for a second. Then I thought this was so cute that I wanted you guys to see. They have a little backpack for the dog. So if you go for a walk or you take them anywhere, you can put like their own stuff in here, or to carry your stuff if you want. This is a backpack, baby. So there's this big opening down inside that you can drop down anything in there. And then there's a little thing here, you can hold their treats. So here's a little one here, or they can hold the little dog pooper out or picker upper bags. So it looks like that. And then the back of it is kind of like a little mesh, and it goes around, and it's totally adjustable. So this would go around the front of them, and then you lock it underneath their waist, and everything is fully adjustable. So I think that is super cute. Okay, so then there is an oatmeal dog shampoo, a 3.5 fluid ounce. Ooh, that sounds good, because you know we gotta wash you all the time, huh? Now you have an oatmeal shampoo. Let's sniff it. This is not for you to eat. This is for mommy to give you a bath. Yeah, I know you don't want a bath. See, you just had a bath. But in your next bath, guess what? We have a new shampoo to use for you. It smells like a dog shampoo would smell like. Like even when you get them back from like the groomer, just that scent of like, that's what this smells like. It's an oatmeal dog shampoo. It reminds me of a dog groomer. That's what it reminds me of. So then in here is a Boxdog bakery. This is tiny cranberry and pumpkin bites. Ooh, that's good for the season. There's cheese bones and soft pumpkin bites. That is very cool for the season, you guys. So there's all the different ones that are inside. And it's sealed, so you gotta like break that seal so you can get them opened. And let's give you, how about we give you this little pumpkin bone? Hey, you want this? Want a treat? What's the problem? Don't lick. What's the problem? You want that treat? Now she's eating it. She just wolfed down that treat. So there you go. Ooh, these look like little Oreos. They are. They're bakery Oreos. Look how freaking cute is that? Let me show you. I've got to show you these out of the package. There's even like cream inside. Ooh, that smells like a chocolate cookie. Holy moly, you're gonna love these, girl, let me tell you. Okay, so then the other item that I chose was the dog mom or dog dad backpack. And that's why I chose this one, because I thought they would kind of like match and it would be super cute that if me or her dad had the backpack, she had her own backpack. I thought that would just look super cute. So I wanted to show you guys this option. Yeah, see, this is a backpack for me, and then you have a backpack for you. Yeah. So this one, okay, so it goes like this. It has a handle on the top and then the two straps that are adjustable on the back. This side does have a little side pocket here. You can attach something here. You have a side zipper to store stuff in that little flap, and then you open that up, and then here is another pocket. That is a really good size pocket. And then this side opens as well. Ooh, and it's lined nice. And then there's even a pocket back here that goes that far, but it opens up all the way. But this is a nice fabric on the inside of it as well. So now we have matching backpacks. Isn't that super cute? I think that is the cutest thing ever. We have matching backpacks. So this I chose, this I chose, this I chose. So that is everything that came in this seasonal box, you guys. So she has the toy, you have the Oreo cookies, you have these little pack of gourmet, 3 different types of gourmet snacks for them. We got the adult backpack and the dog backpack and the oatmeal shampoo. All right, you guys, so that is everything that came in this seasonal box. If you want to know a little bit more about Boxdog, I will let you know right about now. Okay, so if you want to just do this monthly and get it every single month, that one is $34.99. You build your own box. You get to choose 4 items from treats, toys, clothing, and or skincare each month. There is Tough Toys available and grain-free options as well. So that monthly box will just be 4 items total between all the different categories that you get to choose from. Then you can do the giant quarterly box is what they sent to me. This one is $39.99 per quarter, so only 4 times per year. You get 4 types of handmade treats. So one of the containers has 3 different ones, and then there's the one single. So there's 4 different treats that they made. And then you get 1 vegan skincare item. So this box, we got the shampoo for them. And last season we had, I think it was like sunscreen, like for like their nose or their paws or something like that. It was a sunscreen that they sent for the skincare item, which was really neat to have. And then you get to choose from the dog toys, the clothing, or the gear for the extra items in your box. And it's great for large dogs and tough chewers. It's a value of $125 or more in every box. Or you can do the grain-free quarterly Boxdog, which is $44.99. You get 4 bags of treats made with 1 vegan skincare item. You get to choose your dog's toys, clothing, and gear. Same thing, but everything is grain-free for the $44.99. So the difference mainly, your monthly box is a little bit cheaper, but you only get 4 items. And then the quarterly box is only 4 times a year. It's a little bit more expensive, being the $39.99, but you get the treats, you get the skincare item, and you get 3 items that you get to choose from as well. And then it's only 4 times a year. I really, really love that this is basically like a FabFitFun for my child right here. Like, I love that fact. I love that I can log in. I can see all the different items that they have to offer for that seasonal box, and I get to choose which ones that I like, and that's what they send with the extra treats as well and the skincare item. You don't know it just yet, but you're gonna have a backpack. Okay? Okay. She don't know, but okay. So there you have it, you guys. Definitely comment down below. Let me know what you thought about this seasonal box. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and we will see you on the next one. Bye. Say Crafty Crew out.